Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to transfer multiple NFT assets. But first of all, you're going to have to connect your wallet. Now if you don't know how to connect your wallet, there is a YouTube video on our YouTube channel which will explain how to do that. So after you have logged into your wallet, all you need to do is click here, click on profile, click on my assets, click on collected, and then choose the asset that you want to transfer. So for an example, I'm going to be transferring this one. So all I need to do is click on transfer, multiple, and as you can see now here we can start transferring it. So here we have the number of tokens. Here we can add distribute evenly, and then we can select the number of tokens. So I'm just going to put in 6, and here we can add the recipients. So for an example, I'm just going to add 3 of them. As you can see, it has distributed them evenly. And also, if you have a very long list, you can also import the SCV list. If you don't know what that is, all you need to do is click here and then click on learn more, and that will bring you to a different website which will explain how to do that. So after you've done all this, all you need to do is click send. Now confirm the transaction on your wallet. As you can see, it is now confirming the transaction, and we have to confirm it again. And as you can see, I have now airdropped the NFTs to these wallet addresses. So now if you want to see if it has completed, as you can see now on my asset balance, I now have 30, but before the transaction I had 36.